In the quiet of the morning, there's a space beside my bed where your laughter used to echo. Now it's silence in my head. Mama's voice don't call me softly. Daddy's footsteps fade away, and my brother, my sister, gone too soon. I wish you'd stayed. Oh, the void that can't be filled. No, this pain is always real, but your peace, it holds me still when my heart begins to kneel. Every corner holds a memory. Every wall still says your name, but the house don't feel like home now. Nothing ever feels the same. Tried to fill the empty places, but the ache won't disappear. 'Cause some losses leave a shadow that stays here. But in the middle of my sorrow, when my strength is almost gone, there's a whisper in the darkness telling me to carry on, saying I am close to the broken. I see every fallen tear in the arms of the Most High. I can feel you drawing near. Oh, the void that can't be filled, but your love begins to heal. Got a peace, you hold me still, and your presence is my shield. Though the silence still surrounds me, I am never left alone. Through the tears and through the healing, you are making my heart whole, and I'll carry every memory till the day I see your face in the arms of the Most High. I have found my resting place.